Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Hello, my name is Ifoma. On this channel I do hairstyle for kids and I do beauty DIYs. So please consider hitting that subscribe button down below so we can be family, okay? So guys, in today's video we are going to be making a beautiful hairstyle for a baby girl, okay? Without much talk, let's get right into the video and I will let you guys sit and watch as I make the hairstyle. Okay guys, no much talking. It doesn't need, it's easy to manipulate. So as you watch, you will understand what I will be doing, guys. Please stay glued, don't log out. Let's get right into the video. So guys, now I'll go ahead and start sectioning the hair into small portions. And once I do that, once I section each portion, I will use my thread and hold it. I will use a thread and tie it. You can as well use rubber to do this, but I prefer using thread because I feel like after using rubber, once I cornroll, the cornroll will not be so flat. But if I use thread, after cornrolling, the cornrow will still be so flat, guys. That's why I prefer using thread instead of rubber band, okay? And this method is the easiest method you can use to do stitch in cornrow. Yes, in case if you are not so good with stitching cornrow, this is the easiest method you can use to achieve that, okay guys? So what I did here is that the first portion I sectioned, I did not tie it with the thread. So I started tying the hair from the second portion I sectioned, okay? So I will do that until I get to the back of the hair. And another thing you have to do is that as you're tying the thread, you have to make sure that they are in line. As you can see here, everything is in line. So now I will go ahead and start cornrolling. So once I finish with this portion, I will do the same thing I did on this side on the other side, okay? So we did the same thing on the other side, as you can see here. So the portion that is remaining in the middle is the one we are going to be holding with a colorful rubber band. And to do that, I will section the hair to be in a triangular form. Then I will hold it with a colorful rubber band. So after holding it with a colorful rubber band, I'll go ahead and braid it. So now I'll go ahead and use thread to hold the small portions I'll be sectioning here. Remember, the first one you will section, you don't have to hold it with a thread. You start tying it with a thread from the second portion you will be sectioning. So now I've gotten to the point where I'll be joining the ones in rubber band to the one I'll be tying with a thread. Like here now, this one, I joined it to the one I'm tying with a thread and I tied both of them together. After that, I will section another part, but this part I'll be sectioning now, as you can see, there's no hair in rubber band that is close to it, so I won't be joining any one in rubber band to it because there's no one close to it, so I will tie it alone. So guys, that's what I did. I did the same thing on the other side, as you can see. Now it's time for me to start braiding. So guys, this is it. I'm done cornrolling the hair. Now I'll go ahead and roll the tip of the hair. You can choose to add beads to the tip, okay? So after rolling the tip, I'll go ahead and apply hot water to the tip of the hair, okay, so that the coils will pop very well. So guys, this is it. This is the outcome of the hair. Is this hair not beautiful? Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel guys, and share this video. We will see you all in my next video. Bye.